Alright guys, so this is the sound of a bad wheel bearing. Can you hear it? It sounds like that. We're going 45 miles an hour. You speed up, it gets louder and louder. That, I'm not sure how well you guys can hear it on the video, but that does not sound good. It is very loud. 60 miles an hour, and it's that loud. So as you hear, if you kind of swerve the wheel side to side, the sound changes, and that's usually how you can kind of pinpoint like what side of the car's wheel bearing is bad. So it's not always both; it's sometimes just one. So yeah, the easiest way though is to just jack the car up, put it in neutral, and roll the wheel as I've shown in this video or will show. So just wanted to show you guys kind of what it sounds like and how loud I'm having to talk, just so you can hear me over how loud that is. Listen as we slow down. Whoa, it has a very specific sound. It almost kind of sounds like when those off-road trucks have huge knobby like on Jeeps, big knobby tires. It really sounds almost identical to that. Sometimes cars have snow tires on that are hard snow tires, and they can also make that sound. But your car should not be making that type of sound if you're on all-season tires. It should be very close to quiet. Listen. So it slowly starts going. Here it goes. Fifty miles an hour. That's how loud it is. It's very loud. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and jack this car up, take the wheel off, take the suspension apart, the brakes off. Unfortunately on this car, the bearing has to be pressed in. So I'm gonna take it to a shop and just have them press a new bearing in there for me. Because otherwise they're gonna charge me like $350 in labor to tear that knuckle off. So since I have mechanical abilities, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that myself. It's not very hard. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.